Hello, kitty. What's up, bago? Goodbye, Papa. O sila, tapos na.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
This is girl pick up. Girl pick up. She loves Chowlin. This is Christine Hermosa. Patricia Marie Pastrana, and she loves to eat patties because she idolizes Carol, the dagta. And this is Alexandra. No. Okay. This is Frankie, the girl who dates with her boyfriend at a mini stop or 7-Eleven or in
Pagsanhan Falls.
Pagsanhan Falls. And this is Alexandra Karate.
Oh, fuck you, sorry.
This is the girlfriend of Star 2 or other Carol Dagta.